On a peaceful farm there lived a bright red rooster named Rudy. Every morning he would wake up early and proudly crow to greet the sun. The animals admired his dedication, but Rudy had a problem. He never respected others. Rudy the rooster interrupts an old horse who is trying to speak, looking smug while the horse looks frustrated. Rudy laughs at the little chicks as they struggle to peck at their food. The chicks look sad and disappointed while the mother hen watches with concern. One day the wise owl called a meeting. "Respect is important, Rudy," he said. "You may be the farm's alarm clock, but everyone here has value." Rudy scoffed. "I'm the most important one here. Without me, no one would wake up." That night, the animals decided to teach Rudy a lesson. Morning arrives and Rudy crows loudly, but the farm remains silent. The cows stay in their barn, the horses don't move, and the farmer continues to sleep. Rudy looks confused and worried. Rudy, looking ashamed, lowers his head and apologizes to the farm animals, who smile warmly, accepting his apology. The wise owl nods approvingly from his tree. Rudy now happily helps the little chicks, listens to the old horse, and treats all the animals with kindness. The farm is lively again, with animals working together in harmony. Moral: respecting others is just as important as being important. Treating everyone with kindness makes a community stronger. Thanks for watching.